Hello and welcome. Today we will talk about unique function in Excel. If you have a list of, let's say, thousands of records, but you know that some records are duplicate, some records are repeated, and you want a unique list, instead of going to each row and deleting the record which is duplicated, which is repeated, we can use unique function in Excel. Let me show you how we use it. So all you have to do is to write unique and then select the array. So in this case, the array means the list which you want to sort by unique numbers. You select the list, press enter, and that's it. You get a unique list. So all you get is Canada, Germany, France, Mexico, and USA, because these are the countries which are repeated multiple times. That's how easy it is to use.